Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making African caramelized tea. My way. Burn the sugar, and we're making life lessons instead of tea. Let's add the milk. Beautiful swirls. Now we add a little water and let it blend together. If I ever had a favorite tea, this is it. 10 over 10. Period. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, stay warm, stay elegant, and enjoy every sip.